like to welcome everybody to the channel. For my fellow food fans and my new improved fat pack, fine and thick, let's get to it. We are doing something different today. I'm going to let you guys watch me as I make it and let you see it take form as it goes. We got some chicken breasts that are ready to go. Some nice salted butter. Yes, I know. I try to stay away from the salt, but we're gonna do a little something different this time. Splash of lemon juice. Some garlic powder. Now we got some little chipotle and garlic seasoning. Can't say how it's gonna turn out, but trust me, it's gonna be something that tantalize your taste buds. Some paprika. A little bit of white pepper. Yeah, this is coming along nicely. A splash of Himalayan salt. Again, this is a little different, so I usually stay away from the salt, but this particular recipe I'm going a little harder. Had a little problem trying to get the camera to focus for some reason with this one. A little splash of parsley. There we go. Some lovely ground cumin. Beautiful. Cannot forget the adobo. That stuff is versatile, trust me. A little kick of cayenne. Little sriracha. Good. We'll put a little bite, not a lot, just a sprinkle. So now I found turmeric has a lot of good uses, especially for those with medicinal, for inflammatory situations such as shoulder joints and things of that nature. So it comes in handy. Little cilantro. Yes, I know you may not see it just yet, but you'll see in a second. Now I used a little salsa because I unfortunately ran out of pico de gallo, but this actually turned out a little better than I thought. And a few hours later, our chicken is done. It has been in the oven for a good 6-7 hours. Now we got our tortilla shell. We dipped it in the little marinade that we had made our chicken in. Some shredded cheese. Then we take our chicken that we just pulled out, throw it in there. Look, now I'm doing it in a 2-stage with the air fryer just to seal it, and then I sear it on a nice hot skillet, and voila, our Bachelor style chicken birria taco. And when I say this thing, oh my God. Yeah. You may not see it, but when you taste it, you understand why. Until next time, Fat Pack. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and enjoy your day.